to go to school is not easy. You have to pay school fees. You have to pay accommodation fee. You have to pay extracurricular activities. And then, at the end of the day, part of what will make me, for them to give me a certificate that I have passed and working in character and in learning. Well, if you don't pay school fees, will you graduate? So it is a requirement that you must pay your school fees before you collect your certificate. So on behalf of the women of Rivers State, who I'm going to go back to pass on this knowledge to them, since I have not graduated. But you refused to release me since because you found out that my school fees have not paid. And I promise you that give me my certificate, I will pay my school fees. It's a president that has the interests of Nigerians, a president that has experience in governance, a president that Nigerians can say, yes, I remove food, and I can put food on the table, we'll fight insecurity. That's what we need. Not some people who are talking about ethnicity. No.
And who's on your mind?
Don't worry.